Welcome to the realistic material. This realistic material library currently contains 320 plus materials divided into the 26 different categories. And in this video, you will learn how you can install the both asset browser and add-on version in Blender, and how you can use this realistic material library. And when you purchase this product, you will find the two zip file. One is a realistic material asset browser and the other is realistic material add-on version. You first unzip the asset browser version, and you do not need to unzip this add-on version. So first I unzip this asset browser version, and here you can see this folder, and here in this folder, this is the Blender files which contain all the material, and these all files are due to the asset browser categories. And now I open the Blender, and here in edit, in preferences, go to the file path, and here in asset libraries, hit the plus icon button, and here choose the directory. In desktop, here is the realistic material, and this is the folder which contain the Blender files of the asset browser. And here I add asset library button and save the references. And here you can see realistic material asset browser version is added into the asset browsers. So close this, and here I open the asset browser, and here in a realistic material you will see all the materials which I created, and all of them are procedural materials. And here are all of the materials, and here these materials are divided into the 26 different categories. And here you can see the abstract, asphalt, brick styles, fabric, food, glitter, ground, hexagon, leather, man-made, marble, metals, ornaments, paint metals, plastics, and different categories like wood, wood floor, tree barks, terrazzo, and much more. And how you can use these material? So the first category is the abstract. You just click the material and drag and drop this material onto the object, and here you can see the material is applied, and here I see this in rendered view. And here you can see the material, and here you can change all the settings, parameters given in the material, and you can just drag and drop the material to apply. And here you can see the changings, and you can also change the color as you want. So you can use any material like this, and here you can find all the material which you want to use. And this is the glitter materials, and here you can see. Nice. Check out more materials like ornament, and here you can see this material, and here in setting you can change the color, and here this is the snowflake number. It's mean you can change the pattern like this procedurally. Nice. You can use this, and here you can see you can change the number also snowflake, and this is looking nice. Having, and this is the coral rock material you can use, and here you can see, and you can use any material you want. Here you can see, beautiful. So this is the asset browser version of the realistic material. And now how we can use the add-on version, and this is the add-on version, and how we can install this add-on version. So we open the Blender, and here I drag this here and change to the timeline, and here I remove this material, and go to the edit preferences, and here an add-on, and this is the Blender 4.2, and here in this option you choose install from this, and here this is the realistic material, and this is the asset browser, and this is the add-on version. And here you can click the install from disk, and here you can see the add-on is installed, and this is the version 1.5.0, and here click to save the preferences, and here open the end panel, and here you can see the realistic material add-on, and here you can see, and this is also divided into the 26 different categories like the asset browser, and here you can see bricks and tiles, metals. Here you can see a lot of materials, and also you can choose any category you want, like wood category, wood floor, and so on. So here I open any materials like this marble, and here select the object and hit the apply material button, and here you can see the material is applied, and you can change all the properties of this material into the add-on panel, and here you can see, and this is similar to this, but here you can see without leaving the end panel, and you can change the scale. Here you can see the changings, and you can apply any material you want. Here you can see, and choose another category, something like metal. Here I choose this, apply this material, and you can see this is the actual displacement in the material, and here you can see to change the value and colors and many other parameters like metallic value, roughness, bump strength, and much more. Here you can see the other patterns. Select this. Here you can see the pattern. Beautiful. You can choose any material you want, something like this material, and apply this material to see the metal wire mesh. You can choose this material, which is the diamond ore, and here you can see you can increase the scale, something like Q. Here you can see the changings. So in this way you can use the both add-on version and asset browser version, and how you can use this material by using the asset browser version and add-on version you learn in this video. Thanks for watching and purchasing.